Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by parking the 2012 Acura TL on level ground, turn the ignition off, and set the parking brake to prevent accidental movement. Open the hood if you prefer extra clearance and wear gloves to protect your hands. Keep the ignition off and wipers switched off. Confirm blade sizes, 26 inches driver, 18 inches passenger, and identify the J-hook connector on each wiper arm, so you know how the blade. Lift the wiper arm gently until it locks or is perpendicular to the windshield and support it so it cannot snap back. Locate the small plastic release tab where the blade connector meets the J-hook. Press or pull that tab while holding the blade to release the locking clip. With the tab depressed, slide the blade assembly down toward the windshield to unhook it from the J-hook, then remove the old blade from the arm and set it aside for disposal. Take the replacement blade sized 26 inches for the driver and 18 inches for the passenger, align its adapter with the J-hook, and slide the hook into the blade slot until you feel and hear a positive click that secures the lock. Check the adapter is seated, and then carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield to avoid a hard snap that can crack glass. Turn the ignition on, run the wipers at low then high speed to confirm full sweep. Replace blades every 6 to 12 months, or when streaking occurs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.